What's up, guys? We just made it here to FuelFed Coffee and Classics. They have some nice collection here of cars. This month is dedicated to VWs, and they definitely showed out. I'll show you later. It's nice G63 silver with some monoblocks. This is a facelift too. Really nice spec. Got a little bit of everything here. RS3 facelift. This is a pre-facelift. Got this Alpha. Pretty nice cars. Got this Viper here. Nice interior. This F8 pulling up. These are all the Beetles parked up. A lot of these guys came from Miami, down south. Stance on this is really nice. We got some over here too that we'll check out in a few. Ragtop.
The only thing I already told you I have a camping battery on the other side. I have the connections and everything.
With the BBSs on it. The van. We got mine. Cool thing about this show is that they have a little bit of everything. Another Alfa Romeo. This is nice. BMW here. Just R32. These are nice. If you know, you know. These are nice, the SLs, 500s. This is a nice combination. I have a thing for these old Mercedes. Like, just not built the way they used to build them. Actually, these very similar spec. It's very nice. We got his and hers, literally the matching spec. This is his wife, husband. 994s. Now this is really nice right here. Really clean spec, blacked out, silver wheels. Nice. You don't see this a lot in really clean condition. Really mint. A8. This is really mint. Wow, paint is really nice. RS3. Got the M5 wagon over there with ceramics. I'll show it later. This is nice. RS6 with the magnesium wheels. Pretty nice. It's a flat white too. It's nice. Matte. Wide body on it. This is nice. The BBS's GT3. It's nice too with the roll forms. Paint match wheels. The VW boys are outside today. Yeah, and turbo spool, this is nice. Alright, so we got this 2008 M3 E92. It's actually 244,000 miles. The owner bought it back in 2012. Pretty nice car. It's a 6-speed, and the crazy thing is that he's never changed the rod bearings, and it's on a stock clutch. You can see the miles here. Really nice, clean wear for it. Carbon fiber roof looks good. Really nice. We got this M2 with the 1000 M's with the buckets. It's a nice spec. So usually here is where they park all the cars for that month. For example, it's VW, so they have only VWs in this section. I believe in November is when they'll have the BMW event. So I guess there should be parking some BMWs here. About to head out for a cruise. You got like, let's say probably like 30 cars. made a quick pit stop here to wait for the others.